My name's Zoe. I've been studying mechanics since January at college. I started doing the introduction course and then now I'm on to VRQ1. So we've done a lot of kind of basic stuff in the first course. So we've done braking systems, wheels, tyres, we've done valeting. We've just moved on to steering and suspension and I'm just really enjoying it. It's great. My favourite I think has been valeting and brakes. I really enjoy doing those. I just like the valeting because I like to be able to take a car that doesn't look very good and make it look a lot better. And also the brakes, you're going to need them on every car. It's good to know how to do it well. So I'm glad that they've been teaching us quite a lot of that. It's something I'm always going to need to know. So all the people in my classes have been really lovely. The lecturers are amazing. Their teaching style's great. They're always there to support you if I've ever needed anything. 100% do it. Definitely do the intro course first. It teaches you all the basics before you do start your, obviously your couple of years that you're studying it. You do get qualifications from it as well, so it is really useful and it's a good kind of starting point if you are wanting to do it instead of just kind of jumping straight in. I've just had such a good time here. I feel like I've learned so much and come so far in the couple of months that I've been here. I don't really want to leave, but it's opened so many opportunities for me. I'm really thankful for that. So I'm going to be starting at People's Ford, doing an apprenticeship, so I'll be there for a couple of years. I'll be working there as well as going to college and I'm really excited to start.